Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, and this is Daily Bitcoin Update. With the big news for today is Facebook buying Bitcoin. All eyes at Facebook's Q1 earning call today. So we will see, this would be a very big thing, and Bitcoin need this big pump to break out from this bad downtrend. But let's check this one. Here is the Fear and Greed Index. We have 59 points greed in the market for today. Yesterday we had a neutral with 50 points, and last week also greed in the market with 73 points, and last month's greed in the market also. Here is CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin is going up a little bit on the day with 0.6%, and on 7 days Bitcoin is going sideways 0%, and you can see we have still here a little red picture here, but not the biggest one. Now a sideways trend at about the last 7 days here for Bitcoin. Ethereum is going up with 6%, and in the week Ethereum is pumping 16%. So it's a lot better to trade Ethereum momently as Bitcoin. Binance coin is going down a little bit with 1%. In the week the Binance coin is going down also with 3%. XRP is going down with 2.5%, and in the week XRP is going up with 2.2%. Dogecoin pumping today. I think a big tweet from Elon Musk. Everyone is buying this fun coin, and Dogecoin is pumping with 16.82% in the week. Dogecoin is also going up a little bit with 4.6%. ADA is going down with 0.5%, and in the week ADA is going up with 5.6%. Polkadot is going down with 1%, and in 7 days Polkadot is going down with 1%. Uniswap is going up with 6%, but Uniswap is pumping with 32% in the week. Amazing. Litecoin is going up a little bit with 1%. In the week it's going down a little bit. Bitcoin Cash up a little bit. Chainlink up a little bit. And Sol is going up a little bit. VeChain down a little bit. XLM down a little bit. So not the biggest moves for today, but the most coins are going in the direction to the moon. So, ladies and gentlemen, what coin is the biggest winner of the last 24 hours? The biggest winner for the last 24 hours. It's, I think, once again, it's Polygon-matic. Look at this. Today, 24% in the plus, and look at the 7 days, the last 7 days, we had a plus about 115%. Amazing. Dogecoin is place number 2 for the day, 16.6% plus, in 7 days 4%, and Anchor is going up with 13% for the day. This is place number 3. So, ladies and gentlemen, what coin is the biggest loser of our last 24 hours? And once again, I think it's once again Horo. Hot is going down with 7.5%, Zelo is going down with 7.1%, and Dent is also going down with 6.8%. These are the biggest losers here of the last 24 hours. The Bitcoin dominance is going down a little bit. You can see it here on the upside. 49.1% is the dominance, and Ethereum is growing with the dominance now 15% dominance. So the quick overview for Bitcoin for the daily time frame, we can see on summary, buy Bitcoin. Moving averages are telling us buy Bitcoin, and oscillators are neutral. The 4 hours are telling us buy Bitcoin. Strong buy moving averages and buy also oscillators. So buy Bitcoin. 1 hour buy, strong buy, and the neutral oscillators. And for all turbo traders, 50 minutes buy, strong buy, and neutral. Everything is telling us here we should buy Bitcoin. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. So guys, this was my last chart picture from yesterday. A lot colors, a lot of drawings, but look at this I showed you yesterday. We have a big resistance here, and that's the resistance on 55,500. And yes, we hit it perfect, and then we saw a leg to the downside. I showed you also, look at this Fibonacci line 0.382 at 53,700. We may hit this line. This would be a nice support, and from this point we saw another pump, another fight to the upside, maybe a fight with this resistance. We have on the downside, you can see it, also a downgoing RSI, and we have a little place to the upside here, so we may see a little bit more pump here to the upside. Very important what's going on with Bitcoin, but let's check this now in the daily chart. Here is the daily chart picture. On the downside, you can see our relative strange index, and my big problem I have with this index, for sure, This is it, the problem. We have a bearish divergence, we have a downgoing RSI, but the volume is going up for Bitcoin, and that's very, very ugly for us traders. We need to watch this. We may see, maybe we may see a downgoing Bitcoin very soon because of this bearish divergence. I know Bitcoin is extremely in an uptrend and so, but we have to watch this one here. On the daily, also very interesting is this point, the EMA 100. We saw a test of this EMA 100 and a big pump here from this EMA 100. So the support is holding, no confirmed closing candle. Under this MA 100, everything is fine. EMA ribbon band. The ribbon band is now our biggest problem we have momently on the daily chart. If we are zooming in here, I told you this also yesterday. This was the candle from yesterday, and we are fighting momently in the ribbon band. And that's our biggest thing to watch. The daily candle is very unsure. We had a big pump to the upside over the ribbon band and a big dump to the downside under the ribbon band, and now we are again fighting in the ribbon band. So very, very important, we need a confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band. In my opinion, if we will see this, I will make a nice long position with a confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band. You can see it here. This one also, we fight it with the middle band, and bam, we saw a breakout to the upside. Here also the fight with the ribbon band, bam, a breakout to the upside. So in my opinion, here also, if we see here a confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band, this would be a very nice pump, and I would make this trade here. So that's the daily chart. On the 4-hour chart, I would like to show you something here very, very quick. In my opinion, guys, we have some things to watch. First of all, yes, we see the MA200. This is holding as a resistance. The MA200 is holding as an extreme, very extreme important line here. You can see this here. Here it was a support. We touched this support and saw a bounce to the upside. Here on the shorting point, we broke through this, touched it, not extremely touched it, but we come really, really close to this EMA 200, and then bam, it's going down. Now look at this. We touched it perfectly. We spiked perfectly on the EMA 200, and we are now trying to fight back this EMA 200. As long as we are under this, it's bearish on the 4-hour chart, in my opinion. Also bearish, you can see the red ribbon band. Yes, we have closing candles, confirmed closing candles over this ribbon band. That's nice, but we need now to fight back the EMA 200. From the upside is coming the EMA 100 also as a resistance. So these are the big points we have to watch here on the 4-hour chart. Let's check the MACD, what is telling us this one here. MACD is showing us a nice picture, blue line over the brown line, but the bad thing is we have here these green lines here, and you can see these green lines are not growing. They are getting closer and closer to zero, and maybe we'll see very soon here the red lines. This would be very bad. We need to watch this. As long as the blue line is over the brown line, everything is fine. If this line will cross the brown line, attention guys, we may see here a downgoing Bitcoin again. So we need to watch this also. On the 4-hour chart, in my opinion, it's something we need to watch. The big thing is I would like to show you is this one. In my opinion, we saw here a very, very nice pump and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upgoing Elliott wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, the 5th wave, the biggest wave. So in my opinion, this was the first thing of our big pump. Now in my opinion, we see a ABC correction. Why do I think so, guys? I can tell you, we had never a lower low. Look at this. We started here. Wave number 2 was a low. Wave number 4 was a low. This point was also a low. This point was also a low. Then the big down break here, the big break, big leg to the downside, and we made a low. We made a lower low, and also we made a lower low. So this is making me a little bit nervous, and I'm thinking this is maybe now our correction to the downside. And in my opinion, we will see here lower prices. I would like to show you this ABC correction. In my opinion, it's very possible to see. Maybe this is point A. Now we see a point B. It can look like this, and then we may see a point C, maybe on 40,000. So it's not impossible, guys, not impossible to see a correction from here, a ABC correction. So I'm very, very nervous here with trading. I'm not making every trade here, and as long as we are under this big line here, I can show you on 4 hours. This is, in my opinion, also a big line we have to watch. Let me check this with the parallel channel. This here, this is a big resistance now, like this here. And as long as we are under this big resistance, I am not so I'm not trading so much. This is 57,000, and this is, in my opinion, one of the biggest resistances for the moment, and we need to watch this. Also, we are now on a big resistance. I can show you this also. This is this one here. Because of this low, we saw a reaction here also, and now we are retesting it. And this is also a big point to watch. So a lot of things are telling me attention, BITI. We need to watch what's going on here. And in my opinion, we need to watch, guys. Okay. The ribbon band here on the 4-hour chart, I told you. The MA100, I told you also. Look at the 1-hour chart. What's going on here? 1-hour chart, a nice picture. A long position from the downside. We are over the ribbon band. Okay, fine. We are over the EMA 200. Fine. But we are still under the resistance, and you can see this fight now. We have a sideways going Bitcoin since the last hours, and the fight against resistance and EMA 200. We are bouncing between these two important lines here, and we need now a breakout to the upside or a breakdown to the downside for a confirmed breakout, and we can make a short position or a long position. But now it's very dangerous to make a trade here, in my opinion. Also, the big thing to watch is, let's remove this ABC correction. Let's remove all drawings here, and let's turn off the ribbon band and this stuff here and the EMA. So in a clear picture, we also need to watch, in my opinion here, this one. This is our downtrend. This is our extreme bearish, dangerous downtrend, and we are still here in the downtrend. As long as we are in this downtrend, we have a problem. We need to watch this also. We have the Fibonacci lines to watch, and this Fibonacci lines I can show you from the upside to the downside is also very important and interesting, guys. Look at this. We are now trading in this box. Look at this. It's so amazing. This box here, TA, is working so good for Bitcoin. It's amazing. We are momently trading in this yellow box. Why this red? Because I have made it red. So damn, BITI. This is our box. And if you are zooming in a little bit more in the 1-hour chart, we can see something very interesting. This is our box between these two Fibonacci lines, 0.382 and 0.5, between 53,800 and 55,800. Sorry. So we are now fighting between this very important Fibonacci lines. And this is the biggest thing to watch, in my opinion now, guys. If we will break out under this Fibonacci line, under this 0.38 Fibonacci line, we may see a big leg to the downside. If we can break this 0.5 Fibonacci line, 55,900, we may see a bigger one to the upside. Next target, this Fibonacci line, 58,000. Next target, this Fibonacci line, 61,000. But we need to break through the 0.5. That's very, very important here, in my opinion. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. That are the big things we have to watch here in the moment. And I think this is all I can tell you for the moment. No big patterns here, nothing big one here to watch. In my opinion, this is the biggest thing. I saw a video out there that some guys are trading this one as a triangle, as a diamond pattern. Yes, okay, you can make it. It's a little diamond. This one and this one, I'm not drawing it so perfectly, but this one and this one. And if you are zooming in a little bit more, it's not so beautiful, but it is a diamond pattern. And yes, you can trade this as a diamond pattern. If this diamond pattern will break out to the upside, it broke out to the downside, then to the upside. So for me, it was not the best pattern to trade. I did not trade this pattern, but you have a nice target to the upside. This is the line for the diamond pattern, and we can put it here also for breaking out to the upside. And you can see we have a technical target here if we are trading this diamond pattern for 60,400. And yes, it's possible to see a breakout, but in my opinion, it's going too long on a sideways here. And these points here are too important now for breaking out this one. These points here, we need a confirmed breakout. That's more important as this triangle pattern here, in my opinion. So guys, that's it. That are the big news for Bitcoin for today. And I hope, guys, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I hope you make millions out there with your trade. Have a nice time, and I hope we see us tomorrow. Greetings, your BT, your Bitcoin Trading Informant.
System activated. System activated.